Hello, guys. I trust everyone is doing well. I have a quick update for you. I made a video regarding the CV, and I've had so many people in my DMs asking about the template and all that. How can I go about it right? So, here's the thing, without the CV, you cannot apply for the job. What is a CV or a resume? The CV or the resume is what gives the employer an idea of your capabilities and your skills. I know that you can do every job and you can do any job. However, without the CV in Canada or in the US, you cannot get a job. So some people say, what if I don't have experience? Guys, it is all about your CV. I am not going to tell you what to do to make sure that your CV shows you have an experience, but you need to prove that you've had experience working as a caregiver before. Whether it's a paid or unpaid, whatever it is, make sure that it is showing on your CV. And I get so many people asking me if I can do it for them. I wish I could, but I don't have the time. So I'm going to show you a trick, a secret that the travel agents don't want to tell you. I'm going to show you a secret that the people here on TikTok, they don't want to tell you. That the people on YouTube, they don't want to tell you because they want you to come and pay money for them before they can do your CV for you. I'm not a travel agent. I'm not an immigration consultant. I'm not an immigration attorney. And so I'm not going to charge you any money. I'm doing this for you for free. I know there are some people that are also criticizing travel agents for taking money from people, even right here on this app. But the point is, if you are not willing to do it yourself, don't expect that people are going to do it for you for free. That is why some of us, we've dedicated ourselves that we are going to make videos on a weekly basis, on a daily basis, to provide you with all the information and knowledge that we have so that you will be empowered to do it yourself. So, if you don't have a CV, a caregiving CV, this video is for you. Let me show you how you can easily make a CV from scratch using the template that I've already provided in my previous video. So make sure you share this video to your friends, you like this video, and you comment so that this video is going to go viral. I'm going to show you the secret to having a successful winning CV as well as a cover letter. So let's go to Google and let me show you guys something. All right, guys. So once you're on Google, just type in Chat GPT. Chat GPT, guys. Chat GPT, okay? It is free. You don't need to pay for it. It is free to use. We click on Start Now. I want to stay logged out. You don't even need an account. So message Chat GPT, okay? What do you want Chat GPT to do for you? Sample. We're going to do sample caregiver or home support worker CV, right? Just hit done, enter, and let's see what ChatGPT is going to do. You are going to have a template that you can use. But here's the thing, don't copy this dito, right? Make sure you copy it and you are adapting it to match the current jobs that you're applying. And one way to ensure that your CV stands out is when you go to the job bank website, look for the job descriptions and make sure you have some of the keywords in your CV. So guys, this is a template. ChatGPT says certainly here is a sample caregiver or home support giver CV. You need your your professional summary, your work experience, right? This is just giving you only two, but depending on at least you need to have a minimum of 2 years of working experience. Your education, already you have the template. You need to have certification. CPR, first aid, it is essential. You need to have a caregiver certificate or a nursing certificate, right? References, you don't include your references. References are available upon request. So if you do this right on your phone, you hit copy and it's copied for you. You go to your Word document, right? You can just go there and paste it, right? And then you can edit it. But You can do this on your laptop or you can do it on your phone. Very simple, very easy. Let me show you guys how you can also get a cover letter, because that is one of the questions that I get a lot. So sample cover letter for caregiver job application. Right? Hit done, hit enter, and let's see what ChatGPT is going to do for you. You're going to have a template, very simple, easy to use. Insert your company name. And guys, mind you, don't copy this detail, okay? Some of you, when you are back in school, you are copying examinations, you copy every single thing. When they cross it out, you cross it out. When they mark it, you mark it. No, just copy this, click on copy, or you can just highlight it. Right, you can just highlight it and select all and do copy and put it in your Word document and edit it, because it says I'm writing to express my interest in the caregiver position at, insert the company name as advertised on Job Bank Canada with the Job Bank ID. You put it in there. So it's very simple and easy to use. They are not going to tell you, but I'm going to tell you this, and it's going to be free of charge. So please, if you come into my DM, I will not be able to do it for you. I want to encourage you and empower you for you to do it yourself. Yes. So you saw how simple and easy it is. It may be a little bit difficult for some people, but guys, nothing in this world comes for free, right? So if you are not willing to put in the effort yourself and you go to a travel agent and they charge you, don't bring them on this app and demonize them. Don't bring them on this app and say so many things about them, because what do you expect them to do if they are using their time to do it for you when you cannot do it yourself? So very simple and easy. If you don't have a caregiver certificate, resume, cover letter, or CV, just go to ChatGPT. Very simple, adapt it and let it fit your situation, because you cannot tell me you are an accountant and you're going to use your accountant CV to go and apply for a caregiver job. As I mentioned, the Canadian employer does not know you. They will only know you based on your CV, based on your cover letter. So make sure you are standing out and make sure you are putting in a strong application. I'm going to come back again and show you how you can look for the job and how you can apply, how you can even find the email address of the employer, and how you can even structure your email. If this video you found a lot of information, it's been helpful to you, please don't forget to follow me, don't forget to subscribe, and let's all learn together, because I know that by the end of this year, early 20 and also early 2025, somebody here or part of my followers, you are going to travel to Canada and you're going to share your testimony that you've become a caregiver that have received your permanent residence. So guys, until I come your way again next time, stay blessed.